I love my skirt, and let me tell you why. This is so beautiful. I like the red. My color is red and floral, as you can see, and it's a size medium. Even though I could probably fit in a small, so the waist is very stretchy, and it has this inside, making it very soft and breathable. And this is perfect for summer, fall, and summer. Going on vacation, you can dress it up, dress it down, and I like the way that it feels. I like it because it's long, but not only that, the colors is gives you a different vibe. I don't have anything like it, and you can match it with different outfits like black or white. So I like it. I like the colors, the vibrancy that it has, and the different occasions that you can use it for. Very easy to clean. Just make sure you dry it at the on the air, and you can iron it if you want to. But other than that, this is also perfect for the beach. I hope you enjoy my review. I hope you check them out. They have different colors, and thank you for watching.